Now, remember, when you get this out the jar as well, because it's like a latex, when you get to the bottom, you can actually peel the bottom off and you'll have a completely clean jar.
Let's have a whiff of that then. Apparently it's whiffy. Doesn't smell of anything.
Can you not smell?
No, I think maybe I'm losing my sense of smell. So yesterday, you know me, I sniff everything, and I think I've over-sniffed something.
Lovely. So, for instance, if I want this pink, but I still want that texture, you just
So that's yellow at the moment.
It's yellow. This is how it comes.
Dry clear or is it dry
no,
yellow?
it dries as it is. But what you can do is you can add a few drops of acrylic paint.
Ooh.
Mix it together.
Oh, and colour it.
Colour it yourself. Yeah, exactly.
Could I use food colouring?
No, I would use acrylic paint because then it's got that slightly different finish.
So this will dry with a latex finish?
Yep, exactly.
But it is non-toxic?
Completely non-toxic. So you can add glitter to this as well.
What, and it will dry?
It will dry. It's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
So
it's nice to have something different to use.
Totally
and it's nice,
different.
I'm going to get the tape anyway because it's nice to use different mediums. And how many of us make it our thing? Everybody has to have all the different types of glue because it's horses for courses. You need them. But I'm big into box making. You know that I've got. I've got my hunky dory box maker and I love it.
So now
this is better for the box making.
So
isn't it?
I've
but it's not going to
mixed
ping open, is it?
No, not at all. Not with the tape, not whatsoever. So now I've mixed acrylic paint and glitter in that. And what I've done already is I've just lightly painted this. Then I'm just going to go over the top. You can apply it quite thickly. It's completely up to you. You just pop it over. And then what I've done is I've done one already there on a piece of MDF to show you how you peel it off, because otherwise you can't peel it off straight away. So if this was a stamp,
you could mask off an area?
Yes.
Now, Carly, actually originally this was a decorator's thing, wasn't it?
Medium.